In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get rid of the space between Excel bar graph bars. If your bar chart in Excel has too much empty space between each bar, the good news is that this is very easy to fix. Excel gives you a setting called gap width, and adjusting that setting lets you control how close the bars appear to each other. By lowering the gap width, you can make your chart look cleaner, tighter, and easier to read. To begin, click the bar chart that you want to edit. Make sure you select the chart itself so Excel knows which data series you want to work with. When the chart is selected, you should see that it becomes active, and that confirms you're ready to make formatting changes. Next, right-click directly on the chart, ideally on one of the bars. This opens the context menu with chart-specific options. If you right-click somewhere else by mistake, you may not see the correct settings, so it helps to click right on the colored bar area. From that menu, click Format Data Series. This opens the formatting panel where Excel stores the appearance settings for the bars in your chart. Depending on your version of Excel, this may appear as a side panel on the right side of the screen, which is where most chart formatting controls are located. Once that panel is open, click Series Options. This section contains the settings that affect the overall look and spacing of the bars. It's the main area you'll use when you want to adjust how wide the bars are and how much space appears between them. Now look for gap width. This is the setting that controls the amount of space between each bar. Adjust it by decreasing the value until the bars are as close together as you want. In general, the smaller the number, the less space there will be between the bars. If your goal is to get rid of the space as much as possible, bring the gap width down significantly and watch the chart update as you make the change. As you adjust it, keep an eye on the chart so you can find the look that works best for your data. A smaller gap often makes the graph feel more polished and visually balanced, especially for presentations or reports. That's all it takes to remove or reduce the space between bars in an Excel bar chart. If this tutorial helped you, please consider subscribing. We post new software tutorials every day to help you get the most out of your favorite tools. Thanks for watching.